Information is everything. During World War II, one machine changed the way wars were fought, the Enigma machine. This device, created by German engineers, could encode messages with billions of combinations, making it seemingly unbreakable. But what was Enigma, and how was its code cracked? Let's find out. The story begins in the 1920s when German engineer Arthur Skerbius invented the Enigma machine for commercial use. Little did he know, his invention would become a weapon of war. Initially marketed to businesses to secure their communications, the machine soon caught the eye of the German military, who adopted it for encrypted wartime messages. The Enigma machine used a series of rotors, each with 26 letters. As you typed a letter, the rotors spun, scrambling it into a different letter. And with every keystroke, the configuration changed. The plugboard added another layer of complexity. Even if you knew the rotor settings, without the correct plugboard configuration, decoding was impossible. With over 159 quintillion possible combinations, it seemed like an unbreakable code. But was it? The Enigma machine became the backbone of Nazi military communication. Orders for U-boat movements, troop deployments, and strategies were all sent using Enigma. Allied forces intercepted these messages daily, but without the key to decode them, the messages were meaningless. The first cracks in Enigma's armor came not from the British but from Polish mathematicians in the 1930s. A team led by Marian Rejewski created the first Enigma replica. Before the outbreak of World War II, the Poles handed over their findings to the British and French, paving the way for future breakthroughs. Bletchley Park became the nerve center of Allied code breaking. Here, mathematicians, engineers, and linguists worked around the clock to crack Enigma. Among them was Alan Turing, a young mathematician whose innovations would redefine not just code breaking, but the entire field of computing. Turing and his team developed a machine called the Bombay, which used logic and brute force to test possible Enigma settings. In 1941, Turing's team cracked Enigma for the first time. They discovered a flaw in the machine's design: no letter could encrypt to itself. Once the code was broken, intercepted messages revealed German plans in real time. This gave the Allies an incredible advantage, allowing them to counter German attacks before they even happened. But the battle wasn't over. The Germans added more rotors and changed their settings daily, forcing codebreakers to work tirelessly to keep up. The work was grueling, but the stakes were too high to stop. Every message decoded could save thousands of lives. With Enigma cracked, the Allies gained control of the Atlantic, neutralizing the deadly U-boat threat. Decoded messages also played a critical role in the success of the D-Day invasion, ensuring the Allies could land on Normandy with minimal resistance. Breaking Enigma not only helped win the war, it laid the foundation for modern computing and cybersecurity. Today, encryption systems owe much to the lessons learned during those tense years. From online banking to encrypted messaging apps, the legacy of Enigma lives on in the technology we use every day. The Enigma machine stands as a reminder that even the most complex challenges can be overcome with ingenuity and perseverance. What mysteries of the future will we decode next?